Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Alina, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make this bicon crystal bracelet. Elegant and sparkly. It's very fast stitch. You can do it in one sitting. First of all, I want to apologize if you notice any changes in my voice. I've got the flu, so this is one of the reasons I couldn't post last week. But now we are back on track, so let's get started. The materials for this project are Fireline 6LB crystal color, some 6mm fire polish, 50 no Toho seed beads. I love this gold color. Some 3mm pearls, a clasp of your choice, and a beading needle. I added around 100 centimeter of thread, or 39 inches. You're going to leave a tail about 25 centimeter or 10 inches. And you're going to start by picking up 2 fire polish. And you're going to slide them. Don't forget to leave the tail so we can add the clasp later. Now you're going to add 550 no's. 3, 4, 5, a 3mm pearl, and 5 more 50 no's. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see now. My thread is exiting this bicon, and I'm going to go back through the first one and the second one to both of them, just like this. And I'm going to pull. Okay. Now we're going to add on the other side the same. So pick up 5 50 no's, 3, 4, 5, a 3mm pearl, and 5 50 no's, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. And we're going back through both of the 6mm fire polish, like this. So this is our first round, the base. Now we're going to pick up just one fire polish, 6mm, slide it down and repeat the process. Pick up 5 50 no, 3, 4, 5, then a 3mm pearl, and 5 more 50 no, 4, 5. And now you're going to pass your needle through the last 2 bicons you add. It's always going to be 2 bicons, the last 2. So not this, this is the one we added now, and the one before. The last 2 on your row. So let's see, just like this. It's a very easy stitch. Now pick up on the other side the same amount of beads, 2, 3, 4, 5 50 no, a 3mm pearl, 2, 3, 4, 5 50 no. I'm going to do exactly the same thing and going back through the last 2 fire polish we add. So basically this is the whole stitch. Let's do it one more time. Pick up a 6mm fire polish, pick up 5 50 no, a 3mm pearl, and 5 50 no, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Again, we're going through the last 2 fire polish we add, so this and the one in front. Of course you can switch the materials. You can add pearls in the middle, 6mm pearls, if you don't want to add fire polish. And also, instead of the 3mm pearls, you can add 3mm bicon. So basically switch. It's going to be beautiful also. Let's do it one more time. Pick up 5/15, a 3mm pearl, and 5/15. And go through the last two bicons. We add just like this. Welcome back. So I added 25 bicon crystals, which is about, let's see how long is it, 15 centimeter or almost 6 inches, 5.9 inches. So we're going to add the clasp. So now my thread is exiting. Let's see, I have a seed bead that doesn't belong here. Okay, so let's see, my thread is exiting here on this bicon, but I want to go exiting one of these 15 so I will go through all these 15 seed beads just like this, and through the pearl, then through this 15 okay, this one's like this, and the last ones. I will flip it, maybe it's better. And the last seed bead here, just like this. Now pick up a 3mm pearl, and I'm exiting this 15 and I'm going through this 15 here because we want to close this gap here. Let's see how it will look, just like this. And I'm going back through all the seed beads again until I'm exiting this 3mm pearl. So let's see, going through this beads like this, then here this 15 okay, on the other side. I just love this gold color for this 15 I've been using them a lot. I will link down below the color of all the materials. Okay, almost there. Let's flip it, I think it's easier. And now we're going through this pearl. Okay, so we have something like this now. Now we're going to add our clasp. So pick up 4 5/15, a 3mm pearl like this. Pick up your clasp, which you're going to add like so, and now you're going to go back through the 3mm pearl we added here like this. Now pick up 5 more 15 1 2 3 4 5. I'm exiting this pearl up. I'm going through this one on the opposite direction, just like this. And there you have it. If you want, you have to reinforce 2-3 times. Just follow this 15 now, the pearl, go back to the clasp and reinforce it 2-3 times, and I will meet you right back to add the other half of the clasp. Now we're going to attach the other side of the clasp and we'll repeat the same process. As you can see, my thread is exiting this bicon and I want to exit one of the 50 knots on the side, so I will just reinforce this last embellishment, go through all the 50 knots just like this. I think you can make this design in one sitting, in one evening. It's that's the beauty of it. It's not very complicated and it's fast. Okay, let's go through the last 50 knots right here, just like this. And now we're going to add a 3mm pearl, just like this. I'm going back through all these seed beads. Let me flip the work like this. We want to exit back through this 3mm pearl that we just add now. If you want, please let me know in the comments which other colors you think it's going to go great with this design, or which colors you are thinking of making this design. I told you can put pearls instead of bicons, and bicons instead of pearls. It's also a very beautiful design. Okay, so we exit this pearl. Now we're going to add our 550 knots. Pick up another pearl, 3mm pearl like this, and then we're going to add the other side of the clasp, going back through this pearl again, just like this, and 5 more 50 knots. 4, 5. Now when you use a jump ring, I suggest you're going to use one that's closed, not open, because the thread can exit very easy. And there you have it. Now you're going to reinforce again through all this 2-3 times. So this is the final design. We finish creating this beautiful bracelet. I hope you like it, and see you next week. Bye bye.